See, what I have done is I have taken the queries by Umair, pasted them in a notepad and saving it as principal_create.sql. Okay, so I have taken all the create and inserts, and then we have to update some colleges and the select stars. Now I come, now where have I saved this file? I have saved this file in the folder. So D drive, which is yours, FY2023 SEM1 DBMS. In this folder I have saved your file, principal_create. So copy the path, go to your SQL, put @ paste your path, and then run the file which is there. Which file is there? Principal_create, right? Copy the file name, paste it here with the extension. Okay, so this will display you your information. You want to display it neatly, what you can do is set lines 1000 and pages 1000, so will display you properly. And then you can fire the previous query. If I want to display principals, I want to display both the tables, right? I take this query and I copy and paste that. Make sense? And here I have got the data. So till here we have all reached. We know how to create the tables and insert the values in the table. Okay, here we have reached. Make sense to you all? Now let's start executing the queries. Which was query number 1, Umair? Yes, display the age of principal of Abeda College. So Abeda College, the principal number, Aadhaar number is 102, and 102 Aadhaar is whose? Alice, and Alice's age is 47. So the answer of this query is 47. See, Abeda College is this, Abeda Inamdar Senior College. Who is the principal of Abeda Inamdar? Aadhaar number is 102. And who is 102 Aadhaar number? Alice. And what is Alice's age? So what is the answer of this query? 47. Correct? So if I execute this query, the answer should be 47. Make sense? So for this you have to join both the tables. What are the two tables? College 1 and okay. So age of principal of Abeda College. Abeda College is college number 2. That college's principal is Aadhaar card number 102. Aadhaar card number 102 is Alice, and Alice's age is, so when I execute this query, answer should be 47. Now Abeda Inamdar College is in this table and 47 is in this table. So my query will join two tables. Will do what? So in the from clause I will say from how many tables? From two tables. So okay, what do we have to display? Select that. So what do we have to display, Muhaimin? Age. Which is the column for age over here? Age column. Select. And age is in how many tables? Only in one table. So no need to give the table name. No need to give principals.age. Why no need to give? Because it is only in, so if we have only one Rehan, I will say Rehan. But if let's say we have two Ziyad, so I will say Ziyad Sheikh, Ziyad Khan. Why? Why am I taking the surnames? Because there are two Ziyads. When will I take the surname of the student? When there are two students with the same name. When there is only one Rehan, will I say Rehan Sheikh? If I say only Rehan is sufficient, right? If I say only Muhaimin is sufficient, will I take his surname? When will I take the surname? or either is Mohaimin Abida College, Mohaimin Pune College. Then I will say Mohaimin Pune College. When there are two people with the same name, how many columns of age are there in the tables? Is there any age column in college table? Is there any age column in principal's table? So when I say age, I am directly referring to which age. So no need to give the table name. So when do we have to give the table name? When the same column is there in multiple tables. So here I will say only select age. Okay. From how many tables? Which is this table? College 1. So from, do you want to give a shortcut to this table? You want to name it C? So give a space and give a shortcut. No. Oracle is not case sensitive. Only the data is case sensitive. The data, by data I mean this. What you have entered over here, foresight, this F is capital, this C is capital. This Jaipur, J is capital. ये C के अपन ने एक डबी नाम दिए हुए इसको, शॉर्टकट नाम दिए, बहुत बड़ा नाम है ना, कॉलेज 1, टाइप करना टाइम लगता, तो अभी मैंने इसको शॉर्टकट दे दिया C. तो अभी जब भी मैं C बोलूंगा तो वो कौन से कॉलेज टेबल को रेफर करेगा? कॉलेज 1 टेबल को रेफर करेगा. आप कॉल दे दो, आपको जो नाम देना है, ठीक है. तो डेटा इज केस सेंसिटिव उमेर. दिस जयपुर इज कैपिटल जयपुर. इफ यू राइट विद अ स्मॉल j विल से नो रिकॉर्ड फाउंड. दिस पुणे इज विद अ capital P. If you write small PUNE, will say no record found. Even though they are records of city Pune, but you are writing it with a small p. So data in the table is, syntax is not case sensitive. Table name is not case sensitive. So table, this is capital C college, but it is the table name. Table name is not case sensitive. So if I write with a small c also will do. And what shortcut have I given to the college table? Call. And which table else I have to join? Because this query will involve data from two tables. Which is that table? Principals. So I give it P. I give it P. Okay. So for college I am giving call, and for principal I am giving pre. Okay. Make sense? Now write where, and where comes only once. Where keyword comes only once. Where? Now which is the common column in both the tables? Which is the mutual column? This Aadhaar number is of which column? Which table? This Aadhaar number. What is shortcut for college? So I will say where call dot Aadhaar underscore number equal to pre dot Aadhaar underscore number. Now why am I taking the table name before the Aadhaar number column? Aadhaar table exists in multiple tables. So that column which exists in multiple table, it is compulsory to prefix the table name. And if you are given a shortcut, prefix the shortcut. Okay. So now what will I say? Where call dot, what is the column name? Is it mandatory I write it with capital? No. Only data is case sensitive. Aadhaar number equal to pre dot Aadhaar underscore number. And whose data have they asked? Whose data have they asked? Of Abida College. Abida College is in which column? See in this AISC in Abida College. Okay. So write a and. After joining write a and what? C name like C name like. That will be in single quotes, and they are case sensitive. AISC space capital C college single quote close semicolon. This is one single query. So when I hit enter, what will be the output? The output will be whatever you have written after select. So it will write age in capital. It will write what? Age in, and then give dot 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 lines, and then we'll say 47. So when I hit enter, so which keyword is there after select? Age. So age. Next line what? Like this line. You see the dash lines? Dash lines. And then answer is 47. Got it? Okay, so the question asked by Hazik is, I am writing to select and it is showing me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Is there any select which can show me 9 columns straight away, right? So simple as that. Use the same logic. Use the same logic if you want to see. So which all columns you want to see? So what you can see is select star from. Okay, so what you can say is select star from which tables? This, and join on the common column and hit enter. But this should create some ambiguity. Okay, this will create some confusion. Oh, it might not also. It is not. Got it, Hazik? This is what you wanted to see. Yes, Hazik. So I have seen select star means from which table star? Both the tables. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from first table, 1, 2, 3 from second table. And I have not filtered any record. So I have not given any condition. Directly I have joined, so it has given me 5 records for both. Understood? Who understood this query of 47? How do we do it? So whatever is been asked to display, select that. From, give both the table names. If you wish to give a shortcut, give a space and a shortcut. Where, join the two tables on the common column. As the column is common, prefix it with the table name. And if you are given a shortcut, prefix with the shortcut. Now henceforth, once you give a shortcut, you can't use the old name. Once you plan to use a shortcut, then you cannot use college 1 and principals. Then you have to stick with the shortcut only. So if you plan to use a shortcut, then everybody have to use a shortcut. So where, go and join it, and then give a and then what is asked in the question, do that. So whose record you want to see? Where? Of Abida College. So Abida College is in which column? C name. So will I say college call.c name? Will I say call.c name? Why no? Because C name is only in one table. So I can directly say where C name, and as it is a varchar, I will say like. So where C name like, and this is case sensitive. This is what case sensitive. If I say AIC in small, what will it tell me? No rows selected. So if I say this, and if I say over here this in small, so I'm not doing any changing. I just make this C as small. What will it tell? No rows. Why? Because data is case sensitive. Syntaxes are not case. Table name is not case sensitive. Understood, Muhaimin, this query? Okay, next question was question 2. Display college names where principal is a female principal. So which college has a female principal? Tell me from this data. Looking at this data set, tell me which college has a female principal. See, Alice is female, that is 102 is female and 105 is female. So the colleges which have principal as 102 and 105. So 102 Abeda has female principal and Arihant College has female principal. Getting how to relate? So which colleges have principal as female? So first see who are the females. This is what is P? P gen? P gen. So look at the P gen column. F is who? 102. And F is who? 102 is principal of, and 105 is principal of. So my output should be AISC College and Arihant College. So what is the output I want? What is the output I'm expecting? College name. What will I select? Select. Will I say college 1.c name? Will I prefix the college table name? Why no? Because CNAME exists only in one table. Got it? So tell me. So this data is there. So if you want, you can always select star for a fresh query. If you have a habit, so I want the data in front of me always. So I always make it a point to select star. So you can do that also. So what will be the query? Select CNAME from both colleges, right? And I give a shortcut also, where join on the common column. And what? And what? Female. Female is in which column? P gen. So its female column name is P gen. You see? So what do you say? And P gen like. So AISC college and Arihan college are the colleges whose principal is a female. Make sense? Third question. Display the name of city which has the oldest college. Okay, now which is the oldest college? How will I know? Look at the year of establishment. Year of establishment. Look at the. So which is the oldest college, Hazik, from this data set? (1955) is the right. 1955 is the. So how will you? What will the query for this? To find 1955, select min. Select min of year of establishment. Yes or no? Select min of established underscore year. So which is that college? AISC. Which city is in? So which is the city which is having the oldest college? Pune. So output will be Pune. Getting it? And so what will we select? Whatever you have to display, you select that. So what will you select? Select C city from. Now in this query, I am not involving principal's table. Am I involving? So only one table is sufficient. From college, where established year equals to select min established year. Next query. Remember? So does this table have anything to do with principal's table? So you can skip. Not necessary always to use the second table. Use it when it is required. स्वाद अनुसार बोलते ना, तो अगर नहीं पसंद है तो मत यूज करो, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. तो बोलो क्वेरी क्या होंगी? तो जो डिस्प्ले करना है वो सिलेक्ट करना. तो व्हाट डू वी हैव टू डिस्प्ले? सिलेक्ट सी सिटी फ्रॉम कॉलेज 1 where established कॉलम का नाम बहुत लंबा लिख दिया इसने. ये established year where established year equal to क्या? 1955. So which is that query which will give me 1955? Select min of established year from college. This is the query. So inner query will be solved first. So what is the output of the inner query? 1955. So select CCT from college 1 where established year is. What is which is that city? So Pune has the oldest college. Yes, no, maybe. Next question please. Display total number of colleges where principal is a male. Principal is a male. So male, there were 2 females, right? And we had 5 colleges. So how many have male then? 3. So I want the output as 3. Number 3, digit 3. So what is the query? Select count star. Count star Okay, count star. From now we need college and principal both. From where? College 1 call, principal pre. Where? Join on the common column. And what? And what? P gen, right? Like M. So how many? So there are 3 colleges which have principal as male. Getting it? Next. Display the name of colleges. Display name of colleges of Pune city. Of Pune city where principal is male and age is greater than. ऐसे कौन से कॉलेजेस है जो पूना शहर में है जिनका प्रिंसिपल मेल है और उस प्रिंसिपल की एज मोर देन 50 है? बताओ आप लोग, डेटा देखिए बताओ। वैसे कौन से कॉलेजेस है जो पूना शहर में है जिनका प्रिंसिपल मेल है? तो पूना शहर में कौन से कॉलेजेस हैं? AISC और एंग्लो है, ठीक है। तो एंग्लो के प्रिंसिपल है 102 103, 102 और 103 कोई भी नहीं है, कोई ऐसी कॉलेज है ही नहीं, कोई ऐसी कॉलेज। तो क्या चाहिए? नो रिकॉर्ड फाउंड। क्या चाहिए? नो रोज फाउंड। क्या चाहिए? ऐसे कोई कॉलेज है ही नहीं। तो अगर मैं बेन की एज को कर दूं 53, क्या कर दूं? तो क्या आना चाहिए? एंग्लो कॉलेज है वो। कौन सी कॉलेज है? तो पहले क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? बेन की एज को कर रहा हूँ 53। तो बेन कौन सा आधार नंबर है? 103। कॉलम का नाम क्या है? एज। क्या लिखूंगा मैं? क्वेरी अपडेट। हाँ बोलो, पट। हाँ बोलो। तो इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? अपडेट प्रिंसिपल्स ना, प्रिंसिपल्स सेट एज इक्वल्स टू 53 वेयर आधार अंडरस्कोर नंबर इक्वल्स टू 103। अभी ये इसकी एज कितनी हो गई? अभी मैं दोनों टेबल करता हूँ, सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम। तो क्वेरी है ना इधर, क्वेरी है ना। ओके, तो बोलो अभी पूना के कॉलेजेस कौन से? AISC और एंग्लो। इनके आधार नंबर है 102 103। 102 103 में कौन मेल है और 53 के ऊपर है? 103 ही है। तो क्या आएगा आउटपुट? कौन सी कॉलेज है वो जो पूना में है जिसका प्रिंसिपल मेल है और 53 के ऊपर है? तो एंग्लो कॉलेज आना चाहिए, करेक्ट। सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू डिस्प्ले? सिलेक्ट सी नेम फ्रॉम, you all know right now, from this, where this, ठीक है। and now so will I use the or will I use the and? Will I use the logical or will I use the logical and? And because he should be a male, his college should be in Pune and he should be a male and he should be age above, he should fulfill all 3 conditions. So this, so now give me and what? PCT, right? CCT। तो फर्स्ट तो पूना चाहिए, तो से सिटी लाइक पुणे। तो ये फर्स्ट कंडीशन। एंड बोलो भाई, कॉलम का नाम क्या है? हाँ, एज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 50 एंड पी जेन लाइक कौन है? तो कौन है वो कॉलेज? एक ही कॉलेज है वो, एंग्लो है, राइट। so if I hit enter it should be Anglo college. Got it? Yes, no, maybe. Very good. Next, display the names of colleges in descending order. So tell me, descending order में आएंगे तो क्या नाम कैसे आएंगे? कॉलेज के नाम पहले आएगा P पूना कॉलेज, फिर आएगा F फॉरसाइट कॉलेज, फिर A कॉमन है। तो A जब फर्स्ट लेटर कॉमन है तो सेकंड लेटर पे आने का। तो I N और R तो कौन आएगा? R। आर ना, डिसेंडिंग ना, तो डिसेंडिंग में पहले कौन आएगा? पहले पूना कॉलेज, फिर फोरसाइट कॉलेज, फिर ये तीनों ए वाले। अब ए कॉमन है तो फिर आई एन और आर पे आने का, तो आर तभी छोटा आर है और तरह कैपिटल एन है, तो एस की वैल्यूज देखता हूँ, क्या देखता हो? तो एस की वैल्यू छोटे आर की ज़्यादा है तो क्या आएगा? अरिहंत। फिर इसके बाद आई और एन में तो को बड़ा कौन है? एन है, तो कौन आएगा? एंग्लो, और फिर ए आई एस सी। तो आउटपुट क्या आएगा डिस्कवरी का? पूना, फोरसाइट, अरिहंत, एंग्लो, ए आई एस सी। ठीक है, सो टेल मी व्हाट आर वी डिस्प्लेइंग? ओनली कॉलेज नेम, राइट? सो व्हाट विल वी सिलेक्ट? What will we select? C name from. Do you acquire principal table over here now? No. So from colleges, right? College 1 and order by which column? C name in. आ गया? Question. Next. Display name of cities whose college. Yes, Umair, what is the question? Can you repeat? He has not written clearly. Are there in Pune? Display names of cities? What nonsense, man! You are drunk or what? What is this question making sense? Display name of cities whose college are there in Pune. Huh? इन पुणे नहीं है इसमें। हमारे पास कौन से सिटी के कॉलेजेस हैं, ये क्वेश्चन है। हमारे पास कौन से शहर के कॉलेजेस हैं? कौन से शहर के? एक ही बार आना चाहिए, एक ही बार। पुणे एक ही बार आएगा ना। विल यू से जयपुर, पुणे, पुणे, दिल्ली, जयपुर? हमारे पास सिर्फ 3 शहर के कॉलेजेस हैं। कौन से? जयपुर, पुणे। तो रिपीट नहीं होगा, डेटा रिपीट, वो जयपुर एक ही बार आएगा, और पुणे और दिल्ली भी। तो उसके लिए क्या बोलते हैं? डिस्टिंक्ट। और विच कॉलम? जी सी। तो सिलेक्ट व्हाट? सिलेक्ट डिस्टिंक्ट सिटी। डिस्टिंक्ट which C city from college 1. That's all. We have colleges from Jaipur, Pune and Delhi. Next, display names of colleges in Pune and Jaipur. So which all colleges are there in Pune and Jaipur? Looking at this data, Jaipur is, Foresight is Jaipur, Abida, Anglo and Pune. No, Arihant. So Foresight, Abida, Anglo, Arihant. Excluding Pune College, all colleges we have to display, right? So what will be the query? What do we have to display? What do we have to display? Select C name from college 1, right? Where C city? So where C city like Pune or, right? C city like Pune, or again C city like Jaipur. So these are the colleges which are in Pune or Jaipur. You can use this, or you can use in also. You can use in also. Where city like, where city in, you can say. Where city in, which two cities? So we'll take option of these. Take option of these. So select C name from colleges where CCT in. In means options. E means from these options which I am giving. So output will be similar. Output will be similar. Got it? Next, display names of principal whose college is not in Pune. So which are the principals whose college is not in Pune? Colleges not in Pune are Foresight, Pune and Aryan. So who are the principals? 101, 104 and 105. So they are Remo D'Souza, Dom and Elcid. Right? Remo D'Souza, Dom and Elcid are the principals whose college is not in Pune. So how will you say that? So what do we have to display? What do we have to display? So select what? Huh? P name from this, where join on the common column. And what? And what? C city not in. In gives you the brackets, right? So where C city is? हाँ? हाँ, चलो स्पेस निकाल दो. तो क्या बोला हुआ है? C city in नहीं, in not does not do उल्टा, just उल्टा. तो in पुणे, not in पुणे. तो कौन से है? ये दोनों है ना? ये तीनों है. समझा? What not does, just reverses it. Next. Display average age of all female principals. So what is the average age? Which two principal are female? Alice and Elcid are female. So Alice is 47, Elcid is 54. What is the average? 101 is the total. Average is 50.5. 50.5. So how will we do that? So select which. We have how many mathematical functions? Min, max, AVG, count and sum. What will I use over here? Average. So select what? So select average, no? Okay, you want C name. So select what you select average age ना? Why you display average age बोला है? Select average of age from एक टेबल काफी है ना? Principals. That's all. Where Pgen like so 50.5. Next हो गया? Submit and spool off. I didn't spool? Didn't I? Oh my.